Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. The other day I did a video with the clone tool and how you can change in real life the whole thing without doing but one item. That looks terrible. Let's get some real color here. And the other day I did it with a video. I put an object in the center. I started thinking, why do we need an object in the center? So hold down the control button and make a perfect circle. My suggestion, it doesn't really matter, but to get the 3-point curve line and make for you go to that node and then out to that edge. And then you can actually hold down, start moving it. Start move. I didn't do a good job. Start moving it, then hold down the control button. And then you can kind of make a perfect ellipse shape. Now let's click on that X again and put this rotation in the center. I always check it to make sure it's there. And let's rotate it 22.5 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate, so now we can go back to 0, and now we have that shape. Now, this one I did not do this on, but this one I am going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to get my 3-point curve line now, and I'm going to go from that node to that node, but then I'm going to make it, let's hold down the control. Well, control is not going to work in this case. Maybe just a slight, don't know how that's going to look, but if we take the virtual segment delete key and delete this line so we can fill the shape in with the Smart Fill tool, and then take our interactive fill tool, and I always go from the outside in because your red's going to be there, but you don't want to do that. You really want to go from the inside out. So your lighter color, well, it doesn't matter. It's your graphic, and just kind of change as to what you think, and you can change your slide bar to make it less or more. And we're going to call that good. And then this is what I did. I went up to edit and I cloned it. And then I double click on the rotation, make sure you're there. And I rotated that 22.5 degrees. Control D, all the way around. Then, I don't know how that popped up, but this is our control curve. If you look, this is just a curve, but this is our control curve. And you can actually see it actually has an outline. Then, when you open up your interactive fill tool, you'll get this back. And let's go from a purple. Well, I really should have gone, yeah, it does matter. Let's go to a yellow. That's not too bad, it's not beautiful. But then you could still change this bar, and it's going to change them all. And this is the kind of stuff that's kind of fun. Let's get a really dark, maybe a purple on the outside and see what that looks like. Pretty nice looking. And then I would always go up and right click, no outline, so that outline goes away. So you get two different looks, spin wheel or a flower. If you ever had to draw a flower, and you can always do more, with that. Since you're working in the center of the page, you can hit P and fill that in with a completely different color. You could actually do it again, or, make it a yellow and make sure you take away the outline. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.